Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to do a real quick video, I hope. I have 2 craft boxes and 2 eBay boxes. We're still destashing our house, getting rid of stuff we had in storage. And what I want to do is offer these boxes the entire contents of the box for $1, plus you pay the shipping. And it's all going to be medium priority rate boxes. So what you have to do is, if you're interested, you contact me through my email, which will be in the description below. You say, I'm interested in box number 1 or 100, whatever number it's up to. And you need to give me your YouTube name, your real name, your mailing address, and your PayPal address. I will invoice you through PayPal. So right there you know I'm not making anything on this stuff, because I'm paying a PayPal fee too. So here's the deal: $1 plus $14.78, whatever it is now. Let's just say $16 a box, okay? So here's box number 1. There is a lot of this. I'm not going to open everything. I'm going to show it on the camera. There's a large pack of 2 shades of blue with sequins and beads and so forth, like the sorry. Here is a red one. Here is a Battenberg dog collar. And you know, if you come to any of my YouTube sales, these will go for a lot more than $1 each. So here is some fall colors and fabrics. A large quilted piece. Very large quilted piece that you can cut into many journal covers or whatever you want to use it for. Slow stitch kits. A large placemat that you can cut into journal covers. There's a little handful of napkins in here, not a lot in this box. Here is another one of the quilted pillow covers, and this is folded in half, but it's beautiful, that you can cut into slow stitch kits or journals. Here's another larger piece of that blue. Actually, this one's gray, sorry. A piece of trim, green fabrics, blue fabrics, some trim. I'm a little bit off camera, aren't I? And this last piece is beautiful, and it's folded in half too, but it's a rather large piece. So you know you've got more than $1, $10, $15, whatever it comes to. $16 for box number 1. Every box is going to be the same price, and it's just to cover the shipping and basically, so I'm not giving it away, which I am. But anyway, this is number 1. I hope it's number 1. This is number 2. It is also a craft lot, and it's $16. You have a cabinet card, old photo, a very old cabinet card that's got some damage to it, but if you look, the photo is still not affected by the outside of the cabinet card. So you can, you know, trim that up, put a little wax seal on it, and it's going to be fine. A whole package of tickets. A Thinking of You coloring book, which is postcards. DIY cards and gifts for every occasion that you just color and make yourself. A little fold over journal. And this box is also $16 shipped. That includes your shipping. A lot of the small white paper bags for journal making. Some bling. I bought this and have not even opened it. I don't like it. It's supposed to be a easy scrap for you, 5 pieces. It's supposed to help you keep your stuff centered and lined up right when you're making journals. I didn't need it. A vintage card. The paper scraps for collaging or whatever. Oh look, more white paper bags. A lot more white paper bags. I forgot what they call these, but these are those little things that you glue pictures to. So there's some for Paris in here as well. I didn't like the way, once I made them, I didn't like the way they look in journals. And a bag of napkins. This is box number 2. And it is also $16 shipped. That means all you pay is $16 and you can open this box. Alright, now we're going 3 and 4 are eBay lots. And I don't have the old PayPal address. I do have a new one. Do not send the money first and say I want boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoever contacts me first will get the first option. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 DVDs. And I don't know if I have my glasses here or not, but yeah, I'm going to have to pull them out. I'll just rebox it after the video. Home for the Holidays. Who's in it? Holly Hunter, Robert Downey Jr. This one has been played. Harper Valley PTA. It has been played. I don't know why I thought that was new, but it has been played. Coach of the Year. And this one is Robert Conrad, Aaron Gray. Apache with Burt Lancaster. It has been played. The Longest Yard with Burt Reynolds. It's been played. Rebound with Martin Lawrence. It's also been played. MASH. Been played. Badder Santa. And it has been played. Let's Be Cops. This one is a Blu-ray. It has never been opened. You can see the price when it was bought was $5.99. Never been opened. Awake Island, To Hell and Back, Battle Hymn, and Grey Lady Down. 4-movie marathon. It has been played. Remembering Marshall. That is brand new. Hasn't been opened. Yep, brand new, still sealed. Never been opened. Smokey and the Bandit. Brand new. Never been opened. The Polar Express with Tom Hanks. It's been played. That 70s Show. Brand new. Never been opened. The Big Trees. Starring Kirk Douglas. And it has been opened. This is Varsity Blues. James Vanderveer. The Waterboy. It has been opened. Bachelor Party with Tom Hanks. Caddyshack 2. And Showtime with, who's this guy? Robert De Niro and Eddie Murphy. So this one is also $16 shipped. That means it includes your postage, which is $14.70 something, I don't know, $14.90 something now. By tomorrow it'll probably be $15 with the post office, but anyway. You're paying a little over $1 to get all of these movies. So if you're an eBay reseller, this is the deal. And box number 4 is, I don't know a lot about VHS tapes. Everybody was saying, oh yeah, they're great sellers and all this, but with what happened with my health, I have too much inventory and not enough time to get it all listed or energy. So this is a VHS of Angel and the Badman. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, Mr. St. Nick, Rudy, I love that show, Saving Private Ryan, and I don't think this one's been opened, it doesn't look like it. Grizzly Adams, The Clinic with John Wayne, The Great Outdoors with Dan Aykroyd and John Candy, Father of the Bride with Steve Martin, and The Replacements with Keanu Reeves. $16 for the whole box. That includes your shipping. So I will be listing more boxes. Probably do 4 or 5 at a time, because I really just want to get stuff cleared out of here and revamping how I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to be selling. So the email is going to be in the messenger below, in the description below. Email me if you're interested. You will have 4 hours to pay. Do not pay until I respond to you and say, yes, it's still available. Once you give me your information,